In today's video, I'm going to show you how I use grow as well as virgin hair fertilizer to grow my hair. I can promise you the end result is going to blow your mind. When chemicals damaged my hair and I had to do the big chop, I was struggling to grow my hair was thinning out, it was breaking a lot. But after discovering natural ingredients and using them the right way, now my hair is much thicker, fuller, and more flourishing, and that is what I do on this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I use natural ingredients with old school grease to grow my hair. So make sure you're not missing any part of this video. Let's do this. Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. To all my returning subscribers, I do say thank you for the love and support, for always coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs up and even sharing them. And if you are new here, I appreciate you clicking on this video, and I can promise you're really going to enjoy today's video. You all know grow and virgin hair fertilizer are all old school. Let me hear from you in the comment section if you have ever used any of these hair grease in your life, and also how you feel about it. But guess what? Whether you have used this or not, in today's video, I'm going to show you a different way that you can incorporate this into your hair care regimen in order to boost your hair growth, stop hair thinning, help you grow your bald spots as well as your edges. So make sure you're watching this video to the end and you're not skipping any part of it. But before getting into all that, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and do not know how we do it here, we show a whole lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And guess what? I just love to read your comments. So make sure you leave me a comment in the section below and I will make sure to reply to you. And do not forget to share this video with your friends and families as well as on your social media platforms. Okay, so this is my natural ingredient and this right here is my powdered cloves. I'm going to show you how I'm going to incorporate cloves into today's recipe. But my career oil is my sweet almond oil. I love this oil because it's lightweight. It doesn't just sit on your hair but rather penetrates into your hair strands to make your hair strands much stronger to prevent them from breaking. It can also treat your scalp of dandruff and other scalp issues. I'm also going to add my coconut oil. Coconut oil is another lightweight oil that will penetrate into your hair strands and also help prevent dandruff. It is going to add some shine to your hair and help you manage your hair with much ease. You do not have to use these same two career oils. Feel free to use any oil that works for your hair because the main ingredient today is the natural ingredients as well as the hair grease. So feel free to use almond oil, coconut oil, olive oil, sunflower oil, any oil that you love. Alright, so I'm going to use a double boiler method to infuse these two oils with my powdered cloves together. You all know the many benefits of cloves. I have used cloves in so many ways on this channel because of its many benefits. It can help prevent dandruff, dry itchy scalp, it can prevent hair breakages, and more importantly, it can help you grow your hair much faster. So after infusing my oil like so, I'm going to set it aside and I'm going to allow it to cool down. You can leave it overnight or for a couple of hours. At this point, I'm going to introduce my next ingredient, which is my shea butter. Shea butter is a very great hair moisturizer. This will moisturize your hair for a very long time, prevent hair breakages, and make your hair strands much stronger. I'm now going to add my virgin hair fertilizer to my hair growth batter. There is no measurement to this. I just eyeballed everything. I used about a tablespoon of my shea butter. I'm going to add some virgin hair fertilizer to it as well as my grow grease. I'm going to measure about a tablespoon of this hair grease and add it to my recipe. Alright, so at this point, if you already have any whipped batter, you can just add it to it. But because my shea butter is not whipped, I will have to use a double boiler method to melt everything together. And guys, listen to this point very well. You do not want to leave it in the water for so long. The goal here is to melt everything together so that they can really mix in well. We are not infusing anything. So you can leave it for about a minute or 2 minutes, or till you see that the shea butter has all melted. Then after that, just take it right out from the water, set it aside, but do not wait for it to cool down. I'm going to tell you why in a minute, so make sure you're not skipping any part of it so you do not miss any important information. So this is how my grease and my shea butter is looking now. I'm going to set it aside and grab my cloves oil. And this is how it's looking now. You can see that the oil is even separated from the clove powder. So I'm going to use a paper towel to strain it. Alright, so this is why you shouldn't wait for your hair grease and the shea butter to cool down. You still have to add some ingredients to it to mix everything in well. And you know, shea butter has this solid consistency. So if you wait, it's going to form back and the other ingredients might not be able to mix in very well. So at this point, I'm going to add my cloves oil to my recipe and I'm going to give it a good stir. But there are some few ingredients I need to add to this recipe to make it even work much better. The next ingredient I'm going to use is my Jamaican black castor oil. Guys, if you are growing natural hair and you don't know about this oil, then you're missing out on something good. This oil can help you grow your edges, help make your hair much thicker and fuller, and I just love using it on my hair. But it's a very thick oil, so you really have to know the best way to use it in order to get all the benefits. And in recipes like these, is one way that you can use Jamaican black castor oil. And today I'm also going to add vitamin E oil. If you want to grow healthy, thicker hair, you should be adding vitamin E oil to your hair care regimen because it's going to stop hair breakages and also it's going to improve the lifespan of this recipe. I don't know about you, but I just do not love the smell of this hair grease. Adding my lavender essential oil does the trick. So add any favorite essential oil of your choice to this recipe in order to get the best fragrance of your choice. And hey beautiful people, it will mean a lot to me if you can show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up if you haven't done so already. And if you are new here, make sure to subscribe to join us so you can learn so many ways that you can grow your hair much faster using natural ingredients. And remember, I just love to read your comments, so make sure to leave me a comment in the section below and I'll make sure to reply to you. So after mixing everything in, we just want it to go back to a solid state. If you live in a country that is really cold, you can leave it on the counter, but if your place is really hot, leave it in the refrigerator for some few minutes and you're going to get this consistency. Just look at how beautiful this is looking. It is really lightweight and not just like the regular thicker hair grease. It applies smoothly onto the hair, moisturizes your hair for a very long time to prevent it from breaking. You can use it to seal in moisture in your hair. Use it on your edges, on your scalp, and this is going to help you grow your hair much faster. And guess what? With the cloves added to it, it has maximized its benefit and you're going to have amazing results if you are consistent with this recipe. Click on the video you see on your screen right now to watch other ways to grow your hair much faster.